In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make R&B music in Suno AI. We'll go from idea to finished track using a simple workflow. Write a clear style prompt, craft original lyrics, and let Suno bring it all to life. I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. We'll first create a style prompt that tells Suno exactly what kind of R&B you want. Search for ChatGPT and open the official site. In the chat box, describe the vibe you're aiming for. For example, you might ask for a smooth R&B track with an intimate mood, around 75 BPM for a slow groove, blending modern and classic elements. Mention soft, expressive vocals with subtle runs and falsetto, plus gentle keys, mellow bass, and light percussion for warmth. Keep it descriptive but focused. Clarity helps the model stay on target. When you're happy with your wording, submit the prompt and wait for the response. Then, highlight the style description and copy it. Now head over to Suno and click Create. In the Styles field, paste the style prompt you just copied. On Windows, that's Ctrl+V. On Mac, Command+V. This tells Suno the sound palette and mood to aim for. Next, let's generate original lyrics. Go back to ChatGPT and type a simple, specific request. For instance, write R&B lyrics about friendship turning into love that match the style. Submit and give it a moment to process. If the first draft isn't quite your voice, you can adjust details like tone, imagery, or structure and resubmit. Once you're satisfied, select all the lyrics and copy them with Ctrl or Command+C. Return to Suno and find the lyrics box. Paste the lyrics in. You now have both the style guidance and the words Suno needs to build your song. Double-check that everything looks clean, no extra spaces or formatting that could confuse the generator. Then click Create. Suno will take a moment to render your track. This is where the magic happens, so be patient. When the generation finishes, you'll be able to hear your original R&B song built from your style direction and lyrics. If you want a slightly different feel, you can revisit your style prompt or tweak the lyrics for clarity and try again. That's it, your quick path to making R&B music in Suno AI.